Energy, the cornerstone of human existence. Through the conversion and utilization of energy, humans have created a wonderful array of life experiences. Pincheng, energy is everywhere, driving a better life. Shenzhen Pincheng Motor was established in 2012. We have two major production bases located in Pingshan, Shenzhen, and Heiyuan High-Tech Development Zone. The total area exceeds 20,000 square meters, integrating design, R&D, production, and sales. We can provide customers with high-quality micro-motor products and professional pump and valve solutions. An annual production of over 80 million motors and pump and valve products. The company owns multiple high-precision, fully automated equipment and several automated production lines. There is a complete product testing system in place. The production process strictly follows the ISO 9001 quality management system. The ISO 14000 environmental quality system is implemented and has passed relevant certifications and the EU CE certification, holding over 30 patents. Certified as a national high-tech enterprise and a Shenzhen high-tech enterprise. The products cover more than 50 series and over 600 varieties. Micromotors are small in size, lightweight, high in torque, and stable in performance. It's the top choice for many small home appliances, beauty devices, electronic toys, and portable electronics. The geared motor is made from high-quality steel through processing. The gears are ground and then heat-treated. It features good wear resistance, long lifespan, and low noise. It's widely used in electronic locks, bill counting machines, and water and gas meter valves. It's also found in fields like automatic curtains, medical equipment, and stage lighting. The brushless motor uses advanced technology and can be customized as needed. It meets the needs of various industries with an ultra-high cost-performance ratio. The pump and valve products include micro-diaphragm pumps, water pumps, and vacuum pumps. It also covers categories like inflatable pumps and micro-solenoid valves and water valves. They are widely used in medical electronics, massage devices, and beauty and body care. They're also found in home appliances, bathrooms, and testing and analysis fields. Pincheng adheres to the principle of integrity and practicality, focusing on quality and efficiently creating value for customers. This has earned long-term trust and support from customers. The products sell well in domestic markets and in Europe, America, Japan, South Korea, and Southeast Asia. It has established a good reputation in the industry.
The company's development relies on the efforts of every Pincheng member. We continuously improve the living environment for our family members. We also regularly provide a series of training sessions. We build a platform for mutual growth and create a happy and harmonious working atmosphere. Provide customers with the highest quality products.
Times are moving forward, and we are rising up. Innovation is the driving force of development.
What we pursue is more than just continuously creating value for our customers. We also hope to achieve breakthroughs through technology. Together with top global brands, we aim to drive industry transformation, bringing unprecedented new experiences to humanity.
In the future, Pincheng will remain as it always has been. Integrity builds our business, and innovation empowers us. Promote the miniaturization, precision, and diversification of motors, driving a better life and bringing more surprises.